The last time also we had a lot of fun when we were introducing the new trophy, which I threatened them that I'll steal. But yes, I said, Mr. Berry, welcome aboard, because I guess I've always been a Times girl. My career started with Femina Miss India. My life as I know it started with the Times Group, and Filmfare is a huge part of that. And as a film actor, it's the one time that you look forward to wearing your best outfit, you look forward to sitting in a car, you look forward to the bright lights, and you look forward to those few moments of anticipation before you're the best girl of the night, before you're the belle of the ball. And sometimes you get the lady in black, and sometimes you don't. But that feeling of being amongst the best of the best is only felt with Filmfare. And my support to Filmfare has always been the same. They never settle for less, and it's always incredible to be included in the best of the best when it comes to the Filmfare Award. Well, every year I have a film, which I'm very confident about, but it really doesn't depend on me. It depends on the jury and the people who vote. And every year I look forward, I wear my best dress and I sit down, and some days the black lady's mine and some she's not. So this year is going to be the same. I'll wear my best dress and I'll wait.
You said in some interview...
I can say I'm a boxer today. I had to learn the sport. हाँ मैं शायद जीत ना पाऊँ अगर आप मुझे रिंग में डाल दें किसी बॉक्सर के साथ, लेकिन अपने आप को डिफेंड कर लूँगी. I know the sport, I know the rules. मैं गेम खेल सकती हूँ. It's like हम लोग सब समझते हैं ना कि हम लोग सचिन तेंदुलकर हैं when we start playing cricket. It's like that. So I can say कि मैं when I go inside the rope मैं अपने आप को मेरी कॉम समझती हूँ. I probably won't be. लेकिन मुक्के मेरे काफ़ी अच्छे हो गए. I tend to, I think, just pick parts that test me. But every film and every character that I play has a different kind of homework. It's like, when you go to write, I'm sure for you, when you go to write an article, you have to do different kind of research for almost everything that you write. So it's the same thing. Mary Kom was a different kind of difficulty, physically exhausting, emotionally very difficult. I was very scared when I was playing Mary Kom because, like Tarun said, I don't look like her. So I was most afraid of that. Ki, log bolenge ki, what is this? She doesn't look like Mary. So my biggest concern was to take that away in the first 10-15 minutes. So Bajirao Mastani is a different kind of difficult. It's a heartbreaking character. It breaks my heart every time I say her lines. Plus, it's 500 years old. So the language, the body language, the dressing, and it's my first period film. All that is extremely exhausting. But more than anything, it's very emotionally depleting for me as a film. So yeah, it's difficult on another level.
I know Priyanka saying at one of our shows, I don't go back 60 years. I might look at another.
Yes, of course.
But I do remember Priyanka holding the black lady and said, "This, I'm sure nobody at home will mind getting the black lady home." So that I remember. So that was a quite a moment.
I remember this moment actually, when me and another female colleague of mine who were both nominated for Best Actress that year, and we both had done really great films. And just about 5-6 minutes before we realized that we were not going to get the award. And usually what happens is people get up and go when they're not getting the award. And I remember my dad had told me that, you're going to be a big sportsman, you're going to sit there, and even if you get it or you don't get it, you're going to clap for whoever wins. So me and my female colleague, we sat down and we said, you know what? We're going to be good sportsmen about this, and we're going to clap for whoever wins. And we did that. And I think for me, that was a really great moment of camaraderie. Yes, we were both hurting and we were both annoyed, but we both sat down and we did that. And it was good. It was celebrating art, and it was celebrating good work. And I think eventually that's what comes out of competition, appreciating good work.